的情形。
Why am I telling you this is in general? Because there are some roots in Arabic, they only have 2 letters.
但是因为我是讲说这一般的情，因为还是有一些很少见的情况之下，就是它的字根只有2个字母。
And even there are some roots in Arabic, they have 1 letter.
所以有一些它也只有一个字母而已，就是一个字根。
But there are few words.
但是很少。
In general, either 3 or 4.
一般的情况就是3或4个字母。
Okay? Now, whenever we want to know the rule of each word, whether it will take fatha, it will take dhamma, it will be adjective, it will be noun, or whatever, we need to return it back to the root.
就是不管我们要去讲它这个词性的话，我们一定要讲它的字根，先讲它的字根。
Okay? Now, how to know the root? This needs practicing.
要怎么样知道它的字根？那需要多练习。
Now, I will take this word, which is amila, and I forget about others. Now, amila means he did.
阿米拉就是他做过，男生的他，
Okay? Now,
他做过。
now I will not give you all the details because it is later, in some lessons later. But now I only want to take one thing which is for she and you.
我们现在先讲简单先讲女生的她还有你。
What is this word? تعمل. 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 تعمل, it has 2 meanings.
它有2个意思。
You, single, male, do.
你单数的男生做，
She does.
然后或者是女生的她做。
If I said ماذا تعمل, it means what you do, or what is your job, or what are you doing. In Arabic, we don't have the present perfect continuous.
就是阿拉伯语它并没有现在完成式。如果你要问说你在做什么，那就是用这句话来讲。
In Arabic, present and continuous is the same. It is different from English.
就是它没有完成式，就是没有像英文的这样完成式。
So if I am looking to Ibrahim and I am saying ماذا تعمل, I'm looking to him.
如果对一个男生讲这句话，
And I say ماذا تعمل, it means either what are you doing now,
要么就是问说你现在在做什么，
or what you do for living, what is your job,
或者是说你的职业是什么，
or what to do.
或者是说要做什么。
Okay? Now, how do I know which one is it from the way of talking?
那要怎么知道我的意思到底是哪一个？那要根据我讲话的方式。
Like for example, I am talking to Ibrahim,
比方说我在跟他聊天讲话，
and then he told me that, by the way, I know one sister, she was asking me to look for a job for her.
他就讲说啊，有一个 sister， 她请我帮她找工作。
Then I asked him, ماذا تعمل? What is her job?
那我就问他，我问他这句话，那讲这句话的意思就是说，那这个女生她现在的工
We
作
are talking about her.
就变成在讲她了。
But for example, I just get in,
那比方说，如果我刚进来这个房间，
then I saw Yusuf just reading something,
那我看到 Yuso 他在看
or
书，
just checking something.
或者是他在看什么东
Then I say,
西。
ماذا تعمل? Means what are you doing?
那我讲这句话的意思就是说，你现在在做什么？
Or he is just checking something in his bag or whatever. Then I ask, ماذا تعمل? What are you doing?
就是说他在找他的袋子里面什么东西。那我问这句话的意思就是说，你现在在干嘛？
But I am talking to him and he says that, I am always busy in my job.
那如果我跟他讲说，然后他就说，跟他聊天，他就讲说我工作很忙。
Then I ask, ماذا تعمل? Means what is your job?
那我问这句话，那意思就是说，那你的工作是什么？你的职业是什么？
So it depends on how I am, how the way we are talking.
就是要看你的，就是这个情况是怎么样，你们讲话的对话的背景是什么样。
But I want you to remember that the word تعمل, it has those 2 meanings. Either you single male do or she does.
就是这句话有两个意思，要么就是你单数的男生现在在做，或者是单数的女生的她在做什么。
Now here is the thing. What I want to teach you today is when I am talking to you single female. This is you single male.
那如果我要跟女生单数的女生讲话的时候，问你在做什么的话，要讲这样子。
We have new pens today.
That's more clear.
Those. Okay. Now, it is the same ta'mal, but I add, this is what I want you to remember. I add at the end of the present verb,
我在
of
字
the
尾，
verb in present.
我在字尾加上它的现在式的动词。
Always, remember this, always. When I am talking, okay, keep it, no problem. Always when I am talking about you, single female,
只要我在跟你单数的女生讲话，
verb in the present,
那现在式的动词，
I need to add ya and noon at the end of the verb.
那我在字尾要加上 ya 或者是 noon。
Sometimes I only add ya without noon.
有时候我只有加 ya 没有加 noon，
It depends on what is before.
要看前面是什么。
You just remember that in general I add ya and noon.
就是一般来讲，对女生单数女生的话，我们字尾就要加 ya 或是 noon。
When it is only ya, I will tell you why it is only ya.
那我会跟你讲说什么样的情况之下，为什么只要加 ya 不用加 noon。
But in general, it is ya and noon. Remember this.
但一般来讲就是 ya 跟 noon。
Okay? So, ماذا تعملين? تعملين. Now, when I say ماذا تعملين, means I am talking to a single female. What are you doing? Exactly same as the single male. Either what are you doing or what is your job.
就是在跟一个单数的女生讲说你现在在做什么，或者是你的工作、你的职业是什么，跟前面那一句男生单数是一样的，完全一样的意思。
Clear? Now I'll give you some examples just to make it clear. Let us see if here we have any. For example, we have one word here which is أعرف. The word أعرف, maybe, okay, this we don't need it, right? Now, the word أعرف, what is the meaning of أعرف? Yes, جدا, exactly. Now, we return back the word to the root. The root is
它的字根是这个，
the root
知
is
道的字根。
عرفة. عرفة. What is the meaning of عرفة? This is not the day of Arafah, which is tomorrow, okay? This is something else. Arafah, and by the way, the word Arafah, which is tomorrow, the day of Arafah, related to the same word.
阿拉法日就是明天阿拉法日，它的阿拉伯语跟这个字也是一样。
Actually, that word is Arafah, or Arafat. Okay, it is either this or this. Both are correct.
这两个都可以。
Okay? Now, in fact, it is related to this.
其实它这个跟这个阿拉法这个字，
Why?
它这个字是有关系的。
Why it is related to this? Actually, because of course this is not very authentic story, but according to the history, it is because of this.
就是这个当然也不是说非常有经过证实的故事，但是是这样子。
The word Arafa, it means he, this one, I mean the root, he knew.
那阿拉法这个字跟它是男生的单数的他知道过去式。
One of the words coming from this root is what is this word? Two dots.
No, the
Ra. تعارف. Ta'aruf is to know each other, to introduce each other.
就是认识彼此。
Okay? Now, the word Arafah, this one, not that one, this one, or Arafat, it means the place where we meet to know each other.
就是这个意思呢，阿拉法是这个意思，就是说这是一个地方，让我们去认识彼此的地方。
Now, why that place called Arafah? Tomorrow, the day, we call that day tomorrow as the day of Arafah.
我们明天是叫做阿拉法日。
Now, because it is related to one mountain, or that mountain called the mountain of Arafah.
因为那个山叫做阿拉法山。
Okay, why that mountain called Arafah?
为什么那座山叫阿拉法？
Because, as I told you, it's not very authentic story, but this is what they say.
这并不是经过证实的故事，不过是普遍大家都这样讲。
When Adam and Eve, they were sent to the earth,
当亚当跟夏娃就是被遣到这个地球上的时
so
候，
they were in two different places.
他们在不同的地方抵达地球，
So they were trying to find themselves, to find each other.
他们就试着要去寻找对方，
So they kept on walking
他们就不断的在走，
until they found each other in the mountain of Arafah.
然后最后他们在阿拉法山这边遇到彼此的，
So this is why that area called the mountain of Arafah.
所以要叫这个地方叫阿拉法山。
Okay, so maybe this is correct.
有可能这个是正确的，
Okay, but anyway, what is for sure correct is that the mountain called the mountain of Arafah, and when we go for Hajj, we have to go to that mountain.
就是我们去朝觐的时候，必须要到这个山上。
If we don't go to that place on that day, which is the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, then it is not Hajj.
如果没有在伊历的12月9日这一天到这个阿拉法山的话，那我们这个朝觐就没有完成。
The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Hajj is Arafah. It means if you skip being in Arafah on that day, then it is not Hajj. You didn't do Hajj.
那先生万莫的说，阿拉法日就是朝觐，所以说你如果跳过这一天，没有在这一天到达阿拉法这个山的话，那就不叫朝觐。
Okay, and actually there are two stories related to Adam and Eve.
其实有对亚当跟夏娃其实有两个故事，
Those only just for your information.
这只是给大家参考。
That when they went to the earth, Adam told Eve, he told her, once we go down, don't move.
就是说他们要抵达地球的，就是来之前呢，亚当已经跟夏娃叮咛过，你到达什么地方就不要动，就留在那个地方就好。
Just stay where you are, freeze, don't move.
就是说你待在那个地方不要动，
I will know how to find you.
那我会想办法去找到你。
So actually when they went down, she went down in Jeddah.
就是说夏娃是在抵达这个
And
地方。
actually the word Jeddah, it means the grandmother.
抵达的意思就是祖母的意思，
So that because Eve, she went down there.
因为夏娃是在抵达这个地方抵达地球。
And actually, and Adam, he went down in India.
那亚当是在印度这个地方到达。
Then the first thing he moved was from India to Jeddah because he could he had the hint that she would be